What's going on, guys? Tony here, back again with another video recording with the Google Pixel 8a right there. And I do have speech enhancement enabled. There's a lot of noise in the background, so hopefully this will come out real nice. This is the Moto G Stylus 5G 2023, and I just got the Android 14 update. So you guys can see, if you guys are not aware, it's just a public service announcement. If you guys do have the Moto G Stylus 5G 2023, Android 14 is now available for it. So we do have the Android 14. There's the current software version, which is U1TGN 34.42-86-4 with the March 1st, 2024 security patch. Go ahead and zoom that in real quick. So this is what you should have. So hit up your system update, and hopefully you will have the Android 14 available. So far, what I've noticed so far about it is that the lock screen is very similar to the lock screen on the Google Pixel now. So when I picked it up this morning, I was like, wait a minute, looks different. And that's when I noticed that I did get the update. Then I went ahead and powered it off, as I wanted to make this video for you guys after I got out of work. So yeah, pretty nice update, Android 14. And let me see which updates we had previously. Let me go ahead and go to settings real quick, and it should give me detailed of previous updates. Let's see, system update, update history, and you can see these are all the previous versions that I did have. So I had all these updates, and these were all Android 13 updates. So make sure you update your device and check if you do have the Android 14 update for the Moto G Stylus 5G 2023. Drop the comments down below. Let me know if you did get the update. We out.